the systems of traditional systems of medicine, it is not a uniform system like allopathy, which we can give for every individual. Paracetamol is the same drug which can be given for every individual, irrespective of his gene, irrespective of his caste, creed, everything. Okay, paracetamol works in a uniform way. But Siddha and Ayurvedic systems are individualized systems. So same medicine cannot be given for two different persons with the same disease.
Yeah.
They look at their doshas,
they
look at their constitution, everything, vitality, and it differs. So the probability of combining these two medicines in their own form, combining these two streams of medicine in their own form is not going to happen in the near future, because the principles of both the medicines differ. The principle is monomolecule, single molecule principle is the basis of allopathic medicine. Polymolecular principle is the basis of Indian systems of medicine. Holistic medicine is Indian system of medicine. So when you want to combine both, the persons who are going to deliver these two medicines have to come together and deliver it at an individual level. So that is what we have to take it at a micro level, and on macro level we need to push up, we need to pass to the scientific community to increase the scientific validity of our medicines. This is the way forward.
Right. Yeah, I think Sadhguru was also mentioning that when it comes to the medicine preparation, there are a lot of difficulties, because even the same batch of Ayurvedic medicine, if you check all of them, there are some efficacy issues and stuff.
You came to the point, right? So this is what I was trying to tell, but I just forgot during the conversation. Actually, if you take a particular herb, for example, Triphala. Okay, Triphala is a drug, is a commonly used Siddha and Ayurvedic drug, and you have three different ingredients in that: Kadukai, Nellikai, and Tandrikai. I just forgot their English names. So these three different herbs, when they have different qualities depending upon the soil in which they are grown. Okay, in northern Tamil Nadu they have different flavor. I'm not telling about India, I'm just telling about Tamil Nadu. In northern Tamil Nadu they have a different flavor. Southern Tamil Nadu has a different flavor of the herb. So every batch has a variability. So you cannot, it's a very hard process to standardize these medicines. It's a very hard process to standardize these medicines. And this is a challenge which has to be overcome by humanity, and especially Indians, to address these kind of issues. Also, Sadhguru says, because of the environmental deterioration, the topsoil is we are losing the topsoil. You should have heard during Kaveri calling campaigns and Nadi campaigns and all. We are losing the fertility of the first 5 to 6 inches of the soil, the most fertile part, and the most the topsoil in the last 25-30 years. And we are losing the fertility of the soil also. So when the fertility of the soil is lost, the herb which you are going to grow in this soil is also going to lose its potency. Okay, when you are going to when raw material is going to be less potent, how far the drug is going to work with the patient? So that is also a big question which needs to be urgently addressed by environmentalists, urgently addressed by the scientific community, especially traditional systems of medicine practitioners and the government, who, if at all, the AYUSH ministry, who have inclination to grow the system of AYUSH to a different level. Means first we should have potent herbs. For that we should have a potent soil. That's very important. Sadhguru, what he does is he addresses the basic things. He addresses the basic things, basic issues, and it has to reach the ears of the administrators, and the steps have to be taken in that direction.
Take this commitment that you will be a source of inspiration. Ensure that the world speaks about soil, because soil is the basis of pure water, soil is the basis of clean air to breathe, soil is the basis of the very life that we are. The very body that we carry is soil. Will we get this now or get it when we're buried?